तिमीलाई चाहिने परवाह नगरा यो दुनियाँको
Wow, so nice, so nice, so nice, so good. Kasto राम्रो यार. तपाईं music video बनाउनु माल्दिनु न please. I would love to be on your music video.
Okay.
एउटा हिन्दी गीत चाहियो सबैजनाले भन्दा तपाईले हिन्दी झन् बब्बाल गाउनुहुन्छ भनेर.
अलिअलि so.
It's so nice, but कस्तो राम्रो, very nice. कस्तो सँगसँगै गाउन मन लाग्ने तर I don't want to cut you out there, but I just stay quiet. But I didn't even say one word. हैन गाउनु म त हुन्छ त्यो गीत बज्दा बज्दै गाउन मन लाग्छ सँगसँगै त्यो गर्न मन थियो तर तपाईलाई कट हुन्छ भनेर म चाहिँ बोलाएर बस्छु. If you don't mind.
No mind, it's my job. Yeah.
But so nice, but कस्तो राम्रो म त कस्तो very mesmerized. कस्तो sweet के कस्तो भन्ने अब कस्तो शान्त धेरै लाउड नि नभएको एकदम सुरिलो खालको के very nice.
है ओहो cramp.
I
Wait, okay.
Is he? Very nice. Ayat भनेको आयत गाउनु आयत भने के आयत
ठिकै छ अब कमलिया पनि ठिकै छ.
Okay.
Okay. वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल वे कमलिया मन मर्जी करके देख ले बदले में सब कुछ हार कर.
Oh, very nice. So nice. Oh my god. So nice. Sachine, honestly, from bottom of my heart, really nice. Very mesmerizing, very.
Thank you.
So nice listening to you. Very nice. Also, you were so much and combined together. It's
Yeah.
chef's kiss. Very good. Very good.
Thank you so much, Monica ji. Yeah, guys. Become okay. Yeah. Anything else? You guys? Okay, thank you so much, everyone for supporting.
No, I'm in love with the song. Like way too. No clubs, no drip. I don't know. No clubs. I don't even feel bad losing against him. I swear. English song. No, he must be tired. He's singing. But I'm seeing your comment, SRB. Don't worry.
तपाईं उतै जन्मिनु भयो कि यतैबाट?
हैन.
कति वर्ष भयो तपाईँ?
2 वर्ष भयो.
2 वर्ष भयो? हो वाउ. के रे कहाँ भन्नु अरे?
Denmark.
Oh, Denmark. Okay. Nice. Just राम्रै छ हैन?
राम्रै छ.
ल ठिक छ त्यसो भने.
हजुर फेमस हुनुहुन्छ जस्तो एकदमै.
छैन. कसले भने फेमस छु भनेर?
Oh my god, my comment section मा त सबै हजुरको तारिफ छ. Oh my god. So very nice. Very appreciative. एकदम.
अलि छन् फ्यानहरु.
म पनि one of them. म पनि अब I'm going to follow you.
Okay, Monica ji, we will
join
you later, okay?
Thank you for singing. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.